Hey there, welcome to Collins Accent. Today I'm going to be talking to you about full stop, okay? How to use, three ways you can use full stop, okay? Now, I'm going to start with the first way. You can use the full stop at the end of a sentence that's not a question or exclamation, okay? Now, you can see the sentences written on the board. Number one, I knocked at the door. I knocked at the door. That's a sentence. There was no reply. That's another sentence. I knocked again. Okay? So these are statements, all right? Whenever we make a statement, they have to end with a full stop. Okay? So that's number one. Number two, that's the second way to use a full stop. You can use a full stop in abbreviations. For example, January. Okay, you can use it for days of the week, month of the year. You can also use a full stop, okay, for example. This is a short form of example, e.g. All right, you can also use a full stop to represent time, 1 a.m., 2 p.m., okay, a.m. So you can see the full stop, okay? So these are abbreviations, okay? January, example. Now, you can also use a full stop to show etc., etc., etc. You can see that, an abbreviation. So whenever we have an abbreviation of a particular word or phrase, we can use a full stop, okay? Now, the last way to use a full stop is in internet and email addresses. We call it dots. So whenever we're going to use a full stop in an email, okay, or an online address, we can say dots. For example, www.oup.com, www.oup.com. So these are the various ways we can use full stop in English. If you enjoyed this video, you got value for this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up by hitting on the like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to Collins Accent, you can always subscribe to my channel by hitting on the red button below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next time. Peace.